Hey everybody, today I'm going to do something I don't normally do, and it's something a little personal, but I thought that this little bit of personal stuff might be of assistance to any of you, but really a lot of you that own businesses. For those of you that own a business, as you know, even if you had great years and everything else, because you are probably an entrepreneur, you probably just painfully so when you went to go get a mortgage, or if you get a mortgage, it's just a different sort of game. Because you're not a typical W-2 employee, it just adds some complexity to it that can be scary and nauseating and time consuming and everything else. And then end with a result that's no good. I had this experience not too long ago where it was just a cumbersome, hard process that I didn't really know how to overcome. I got recommended to talk to a mortgage broker by the name of Toni Taylor. And today I want to tell you about Toni. And I want to just say this to you. If you have complexity and you are buying a home, you should call this lady. You know, in our industry, there's a difference between a hack and somebody that is just an absolute pro. That's who this is. She is an absolute pro. I would say to anybody that wants a mortgage in our industry that she's a great pick. But very, very specifically for those of you that walk the path I walk as an entrepreneur, she may be the single best person you could possibly ever call. I could not be more thankful to the way that Toni let me have my business life and work and still get the mortgage stuff done. I cannot thank her enough for being a pro and getting me a definitive group of information that she needed from me going into the process, so that the process itself was easier, and that the net result was not only did I was able to get the home I wanted, but I was also able to get it at a really good rate. And I just couldn't be happier. So I just want to give this recommendation, and I want to give this bit of information to all of you that may need to know this. I'm going to give you Toni's information. And if you need help on a mortgage, you should definitely give her a call. And Toni, thank you. We're doing great, and it has a lot to do with you. Have a great day, everybody.